Welcome to Solver Fee.
In this question, it is told that two balls are attached to the end of a thin rod and this rod can be rotated in a vertical plane. Now it is told that a putty of weight that is given to us 50 gram drops onto the one ball and hitting it with a speed of 3 meter per second, and after that it stick to it. Now we have to find the angular speed of the system just after the putty weight hits. So first of all, I am drawing the diagram for this given question. So let this is the thin rod and two balls are attached. So let this is first ball and this is second ball and these are attached at the end, and let this is the center of this rod. Now this distance is d by 2 and this distance is also d by 2, and let this is the putty which strikes to this, and we have given the velocity of this putty that is 3 meter per second. Let mass of this putty is m2 and mass of these balls are m1, and this point is, let this is o. So first of all, I'm writing the given data. So we have given the mass m1 that is 2 kilograms, and we have given the mass m2 that is 50 grams, or I can say 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilograms. We have given the distance that is d is equals to 50 semi, or I can say 0.5 of meters, and we have given the speed that is v is equals to 3 meter per second. Now in this problem there is no external force, so here momentum is conserved. So we can say that initial angular momentum is given by, that is L1 is equals to, this is m2 into, this is v into d by 2, and we can say that final angular momentum is, that is L2 is the momentum of this putty plus momentum of the ball. So this is m1 into v final velocity into, this is d by 2 plus this is m1 into v final into d by 2. This is the momentum of the balls plus momentum of the putty, and this is m2 into v final into d by 2, because all the three balls have same velocity. So we can say that here momentum is conserved. So conservation of momentum, which says that m1 L1 is equals to L2. So from here we get the value of, now put this 2 equals, so we can say that this can be written as m2 into, this is v into d by 2 is equals to, this is m1, this is 2 times of m1 vf into, this is d by 2 plus m2 into vf into d by 2. Now we can say that vf is written as, that is omega into d by 2. So finally we get omega f from here, and this is 2 times of m2 into v upon 2 times of m1 plus m2 into d. Now put all the data in this equation and we get the angular speed. So this is 2 into 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 into, this is 3 upon, this is 2 into 2 plus, this is 0.05 into, this is 0.5. So from here we get, this is 0.148 radian per second. So this is the answer of our first part of the problem. Now in the second part we have to find the ratio of the kinetic energy of the system after the collision to that of the putty just before. So we can say that initial kinetic energy is given by, that is half of m2 into v square, and final kinetic energy is given by, that is kinetic energy of the balls, that is plus kinetic energy of putty. So kinetic energy of putty is this, plus kinetic energy of the ball is 2 times of half of m1 v final square. So we have to find this ratio. So we can say that k1, k initial upon k final is given by, that is m2 upon, this is 2 times of m1 plus m2. Now put all the data in this equation and we get this is 0.0123. So this is the answer of our second part of the problem. Now in the third part we have to told that we have to find the angle that the system rotate before it momentarily stops. So we have to find the angle. So we can say that initial potential energy is given by that is m2 into g into d by 2, and final potential energy is given by that is m2 into this is g into this is d by 2 of 1 minus cos theta, and initial kinetic energy is that is half of this is 2 times of m1 plus m2 into d by 2 whole square into this is omega final square. And finally the system stops, so final kinetic energy is zero. So we can say that from energy conservation, that is initial kinetic energy and initial potential energy is equals to final kinetic energy plus final potential energy. Now put all the data in this equation and we get cos theta is equals to this is minus of 1 by 2 2 times of m1 plus m2 upon this is m2g into d by 2 whole square, sorry, this is d by 2 into omega final whole square. So from here we get the value of theta, and this theta will comes out to be minus of 91.3 degree, or I can say phi will be 181.3 degree. So this is the answer of our third part of the problem. I can show it diagram also. So this is our ball system, and this is here ball, and this is the putty which is attached to it. And let we can show that let this is the angle is theta. So this angle is our angle phi. So this is phi, and this is our answer for this given question. Thank you.